Until recently, absorbents haven't changed much in the past 50 years. Here's a look at the problems that you might be having with some old-school absorbents. Clay's been around for hundreds of years, and it was the industry standard until about the 1980s. But it's the same stuff that's used to make cat litter. It turns to mud as soon as water hits it, and it fails at damming and containing spills. White absorbent socks and sheets came around in the mid-1980s. They're made of virgin, melt-blown polypropylene. They repel water and absorb oil, and we all know that oil floats on water. So when it's raining, the sheets and socks become coated with the water that they're repelling, and the oil just floats right over them. Super thick Spilltration Husky products are different. They're made of 100% post-consumer recycled fibers. The thick pads allow both oil and water to enter, so you can begin diking and absorbing with the same product. Then the Husky fibers grab onto the oil and allow clean rainwater to filter through. They also work great in dry conditions, and they'll even remove sheens from paved surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals or detergents. Updating your leak and spill arsenal with the right tools means that your frontline employees can get the job done faster and produce less waste.